Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to install a front door. Some basic tools that you're going to need to install a door. You're going to need a hammer, you're going to need a screwdriver, you may need some kind of chisel, some kind of little specialty tool to actually get the pins out of the hinges. Sometimes they stick and they're a little difficult to get out, but once you figure out how to get them out, they usually just slip right out through the top, and it's pretty straightforward. Couple of reasons. You may be installing your door, you may be wanting to update your door, you may want to just replace it with a totally new door. If that's the case, then you need to make sure that the door that you get, you want to make sure that the holes are already drilled out for your doorknob and your deadbolt, so you can just pull your doorknob and your deadbolt off and be able to install them on your new door. If you're just refinishing the door, it's as simple as just popping the pins out of the door, pulling the door off, doing whatever you need to do to the door, and actually putting the pins back in.